How many of you have ever found yourself on the floor, maybe after playing with your kids or grandkids, and thought, oh boy, how am I going to get up from here without my knees screaming at me? You're not alone. It's a common struggle, and a lot of us end up pushing up with our hands, putting a ton of strain on our wrists and shoulders. Or worse, we try to lurch forward, which can be really unstable and even lead to a fall. It can feel a little embarrassing and honestly, a bit scary. But what if I told you there's a simple, pain-free way to get up that doesn't require brute strength or awkward movements? Today, I am going to show you one simple trick that will completely change the way you get up from the floor. It's safe, it's stable, and it protects your joints. Forget about those painful push-ups or wobbly attempts. This method is used by physical therapists and is a game changer for anyone who wants to maintain their independence and move with confidence. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the magic. First, from a seated position, roll over onto your hands and knees. This is your stable starting point. Now, instead of trying to push straight up, here's the key. Walk your hands back towards your knees. Keep walking them back until you lay in a deep squat position with your feet flat on the floor. See how my weight is now over my feet, not my hands. From this powerful squat, you can simply straighten your legs to stand up. Your strong leg muscles are doing all the work, not your fragile knee or wrist joints. Let's break it down one more time. Roll to hands and knees. Walk your hands back until your feet are flat. Your heels should be down. If you can't get your heels down right away, that's okay. Try widening your stance a little. The more you practice, the more flexible your ankles will become. Once you're in that stable squat, just stand up. It feels so much more secure, right? No more pain, no more wobbling. This technique is all about using proper body mechanics to your advantage. It shifts the load from your upper body and knees to your powerful hips and legs. Practice this a few times a day. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel. Soon, you won't even have to think about it. You'll be popping up from the floor with ease and confidence. This one simple change can make a huge difference in your daily life, helping you stay active and independent for years to come. I really hope this tip helps you as much as it has helped so many others. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tips to help you move better and feel great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.